is Monday. Hey, I'm rich. I'm so rich that my tongue was going to my bees. Oh yes, I'll be that hypnotized. Oh yes, are you rich? Woo! My dance! Oh yes. Oh, what am I going to toilet? I'm so rich. Oh yes. I still haven't watched it yet. That's the state of love. Oh my gosh. You're rich. Oh yes. Hi neighbors. Hi friends. Oh yes. Oh, I love this cardboard box. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo, better. Yeah. I got a bruise on my leg, on my arm. I don't know what it is. Oh, because I get down on the floor with my towel working it now. Woo! Get my towel sweat. Oh my gosh. Oh, doors are going to open up to the universe of Looney. Yeah! Viewers! Welcome to Out of Your Mind. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, Monday. Oh, your walls. Rub your neighbor's walls. Ooh, rub it. You know, rub the counter. Hey, what was that? That's my voice. I do my noodle. Next time, my baby do mom. Oh, yes. What's this? I go down a little bit crazy. I can hear now. Oh, God. Yeah. Well, man. Monday. Oh, yeah, Monday. My lamb's all with passion. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Do splits. I can do splits. I can do it with this leg, y'all. I mean, a left side. I can only do middle splits when I'm in the pool, y'all. Oh, yeah. Some wiggling on my girlies. Oh, my God. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Bobby pants. Number 3. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. I'm stepping in. I was. That's the way it. Nope. I still don't. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. I want to be a therapist. My bathroom's haunted now. I went in there, and all of a sudden, these tumors would be out there now. And I was like, I thought it was a cat. It wasn't. I'm like, man, that girl's going to be bursting his teeth with 3 different toothbrushes. So I'm going to have y'all on this. Otherwise, it's going to be good. I can't gum my words. You got to be gumming. Oh, thank you, Instagram. Oh, I love you too. I wish this girl was a man. Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, don't want to break my toilet last time. I tell you that. I mean, that was bad. I mean, I felt my toes through my butt bone. I just slipped myself. Oh, my God. I stepped on myself last night. I'll be stepping on that right ankle. Oh, God. Oh, gosh. My chair's my cousin. Hey, oh, my mass. I mean, it's chicken. Check it out. I got vibes. Oh, yes. Hey. Whipping realize. Woo! 16 times 19 is what? You know what? I'm really not good at math. Math was not my friend. Math was, oh, really call me. I just, oh, yes. I got my chocos on. Yeah. It's sexy pajamas, see? But, nobody be knowing this. Oh, no. Oh, like a rabbit ears. Hey! Oh my gosh! There's another hole right there. Oh, two of them. Oh, what's this? Eileen! Oh, Eileen! Looney! I keep dreaming that my alien's a doctor. Oh my god! Oh, shit! I'm gonna just. Oh, I'd be so excited, my head gonna fall out, match my thighs. Oh no! Oh yes! Oh, are you a doctor? Oh, Tammy! Oh yes, I'm always in need of help, cause I'm just that weird. Oh yeah! Ha ha! Ha ha ha! Yeah, what's the band? Oh, yes, priority to me. Well, thank you. It's a priority to me. Oh, I knew it was. Oh, my God. Oh, yes. Oh, fart. Oh, yeah. I love chili beans. I love chili beans in my stomach. Oh, oh yes. You know what? I think that my mouth might get stuck like this. Can you see me? I see my camera. Oh, closer to my eyes. Oh yes. Oh, the comment with the yellow phone now. It's not a Pete phone, but if it was, I was gonna go insane. Like, oh yes, I'll get more dollars. Yeah. Oh yes, last year's so gorgeous. Oh, look at that. Yeah, damn. Oh yes, don't miss out. What's that blurry? I had no idea. I think it's because it's squinting because I'm so loony. Oh, yeah. How you doing? Look at my face. I was dancing. God. Oh yes. Imagine Manhattan somewhere. Oh yeah, Phil. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, oh fuck. I want to know my legs stuck to the chair. Oh my, it must sticky. God. Oh, I tell you now, my body's sticky. I don't know what it is now. I mean, but I mean, like even with my feet, even oh my gosh, it must spit. So, but even with my socks on, I get sticky. I see this thing. I mean, I like to build this hoochie cup like a plumber. I mean, plungers. Plunge that. You have to give your toilet CPR sometimes. Stay with me. Help me. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I mean, that's how my feet is. Oh, sticky. And then I learned my knees are getting sticky. Oh yeah. I'm a sticky woman. Oh, I'll stick with you with my stickies. Oh. YouTube might view that as something wrong. What? Oh my gosh. With a YouTube translator, I might think I said something else. Oh, real time. It thinks I'm cussing up everything. And I'm like, I ain't cussing up or down. What in the world? My cats cuss. It's weird. Oh, yeah. Your animals do it. Oh my, oh yeah, tell me your problems. I'll fix them. Get close. I'm 23 years of age. How old are you doing? Oh, yes. I smell monkey pits. I was thinking this morning, Mr. and Mrs. Lemon, Mr. and Mrs. Lemon, Mr. and Mrs. Lemon, Mr. and Mrs. Lemon. Oh, I think it's somebody's last name. Hey! Welcome back. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, that's hot. Oh, my. You go, wait, where is this? It says, layup. Rui YIH. Is that Chinese? I'm blinding my eyes. I can't see a thing. Oh my God. That's Chinese. Oh, that's amazing. Now, I don't know Chinese now, but I know more Korean. Oh, I'm rocking. Oh, 'cause they rolling. Oh, I love that song. 'Cause they be rolling. Woo. Oh, yeah, roll on. Yeah, roll. I see elephant. Look at this. It's an elephant. Oh, yes, I've had her for years. Oh, that's like everybody says used to do with animals. They don't anymore. Why not? Company, listen to me. Put some animals in there, please. Oh, there. Oh, yes, I'm president of these United States. Oh, God. Stop me to the side. Glance me to the side. Oh, hi. Oh, yes. Where's I got that calendar for 2018? Well, man. Oh, my gosh. It's 2023 now. We never changed the calendars out. That's called commitment. Oh, yeah. Well, thank you, Instagram. Oh, yes. I know my eyelashes are natural. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. I got big old eyes. I don't know how big it was. I wonder if it's going to get bigger. Oh, let's find out. No. My spit keeps going down the other hole on my lungs, and that ain't good, see, because my lung hole must be bigger than my swallow, because you go bleh, and I'm like, what's going on? Oh yeah, oh something behind me. Oh hi, viewers. Oh yes, paparazzi's my cats. Paparazzi, yeah. Come on and jam. Oh yeah. Oh, you dream about me? That's so sweet. Oh my gosh, I dream about myself too. Oh yeah. Oh, I dream I come in here while I'm asleep and do this right here. Whoa! What? I don't know. Oh yes, and I was born, I guess. Oh, call me. Oh my God. Oh gosh, my hair. I'm a natural blonde. Woo! Oh yeah. Ooh, or had lunch. I had chicken nuggets and broccoli and some oranges. Oh, yum. What'd you have? I was it. Oh yes. Oh my! I'm about to read my man. Look at this. Something here, little ones. Yum. Yeah. Classic. Oh. If I was a therapist, I think I might scare people to get their problems fixed. Woo! You know, it's like, oh yes, oh yeah, yeah. I just reset myself. Woo! You know, everybody's talking about a reset. Ooh, I just reset myself. Woo! Oh yes, reset. Hey! Oh my God, please. What is this morning? Hang. What is it? It says we are. What? Oh my God, I just kissed you. I didn't mean to kiss you. Ooh, hope you didn't mind it. I never kissed. Oh my gosh, my hands went to my wall. Oh. I feel it. What am I feeling? I feel it in me. Yeah. Woo! That sounds like call me. Wham! Cause it's good, yeah, going on. Oh yes, look at this. Time machine, yeah. I hadn't time traveled in a long time. But, I done it back, 2016. Oh, God. You know, just pretends. Just be pretending, y'alls. I don't know if you actually could do it in real life or not. Oh, that'll be so amazing. Oh, I want to do this in the 1800s. then I'd be committed. That mean I'd be good. I'm gonna do it in the future, 2029. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Let's see me Oh! Would you want to go back and tell me. My armpits are growing with ease. Oh! He's yours. I seen this thing about, oh my God, commercials about men shaving their beard and like, I shave. And then it said, after all that, they're like, if you want to keep your beard, here's some products. And I was like, oh my, but see, the weird thing is that, the man, he smiles with a big old razor, just wham, wham. And I'm like, that's going to be cutting you. What in the world? What? Oh, that's bad. I mean, it must not have been on there. Like, must have been fake. Because I tell you, wham, it's going to get your skin. You know what I'm saying? I go, yeah. I did that with my legs alone. I mean, it's like, oh, yeah. Oh. Hey, I love you. Oh my God, that sounds like how the tornado siren turns up. It goes. Imagine me. That's a tornado siren. You over hear me, the ends of the earth. Yeah. Oh yes, look at this. What is this called? A hinges. Ain't that right? Hinge. Open up. Ooh. Oh my God, open more. Yeah. Oh, it smells new. Inhale it. Ow. Nice. It's like, when they say, the president's cabinet members, isn't that what they do? They come out of the cabinet. Hey, president! Oh, hey, that sounds fun, you know what I'm saying? But, you never see him actually come out of a cabinet. I'm just saying. Awesome! Oh, yeah. I don't know if you guys fit into a cabinet or not, but I'm just saying. There ain't no... Oh, my gosh, I don't have no cabinet members yet. They're not in here. Cabinet member... What's that? I don't know what that is. It's in a box, and I appreciate it. Secret Service! Hey! Welcome to Alabama. I had a nightmare the other night. I had a dream that this man, he's like this military man. And then somehow or another, I'm out there with him, y'all. And he said that I had to get all these dogs on me to bite me or something like that. And I was like, what? And then they all get on me, start biting me, y'all. And I was like, somebody gotta help me, and so the military man came off of me, and then he said, you may have to take them home to practice with you. I was like, what? So I take all these dogs home with me. And, I guess to try not to bite me. I don't know what in the world that is. And then, so I just closed the door back. But I fed them. But I was like, and then this smell lady shows up. And she was like, I heard that, you have 5 dogs, so here's some dog food. And I was like, and then I remember, I was asleep. And all these 5 dogs got on my neck, started breathing on me. I was like, oh God, they're going to bite me again. Ah! But luckily, they didn't. Then I woke up. It's weird, y'all. Yeah! Oh my God. Oh, that's bad. I keep seeing commercials about, they're like, join the army and all that stuff. I'm like, I hope they don't put dogs on you. Oh my God. It's crazy. It's crazy. Gosh. Anyways, I forgot what I was doing. Oh, I'm just saying I was bad. I was like, what? And there were young dogs, young ones. God. I forgot to show you some things. Hey. Oh my God. Oh my. What is this? Oh yes. I broke my toe. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold me down. Oh my. Peter's like this. And you think, oh yeah, but it's praise. Oh yeah. Get your sweat out. You sweat out. Yeah. Oh yes, aren't they gorgeous? Oh yes, and bring out that booty. Bring out your booty. Bring out that backside of you. Oh, even though I'll work my butt today, even though I can't see it, I want to feel it. Oh God, and free shipping. That's not what I meant. Oh my God. And oh yes, I'll make it. Oh yeah. Right in there, and you're scared to ball. I can't forget to show you the products. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh yes, I get right down that description. I'm boxed. Oh yeah, it's going click me. Oh yeah, thank you. Oh yeah, click down there. Click it down. Oh, I broke my target. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I always end up pitting my poor pinky toe down there. Yes. Mitch, I lose your neighbors. So I told you, do your business. Oh yeah. Oh, get on down. Yeah, I almost fell down. I almost fell down when I go laughing. That's what my mama said. It's a good thing that wall was back there. And then yesterday I sneezed and almost fell down. and my cat's falling in the trash can. Wham! That's contagious. Oh my God. Oh, falling's contagious. Be careful. Oh yes. Yeah. You have to refocus this since you roll it on yourself. Oh yeah, your armpits, your belly button. I mean, just roll it. Roll it on the revive. Roll it. Oh my gosh. What is that? What is that? Deep soothing. Oh, soothe. From lost the oil. I am not married. Yeah. Of course, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. We even have amusement oils too. Oh, yes. Gorgeous. Oh, yeah. Gorgeous. Oh, yeah. It's gorgeous. Oh, yeah. I love it. Oh, yeah. Oh. I blick it right down there. Blow my toilet. Right in the description box. Here's here to throw my finger like I'm married to it. Oh my, thank you. Has your hair ever wanted to marry you? Oh, tell me down there. I can't be the only one, right? Bitcoin. Let's go, Bitcoin. Do you buy it? Gosh! Oh, smell out your window. White House. I learned the king of the windows in the White House. That's odd. Yeah. Oh my God. We have a new one. Lemon and coconut so oh yeah. I mean goat milk and I said goat milk. I said so oh yeah. And of course it was gorgeous. Oh yeah, coconut dance. Oh yeah, do coconut dance and oh yeah. Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, the costume. Wow. Hello. Oh yes. Aloha. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. I can get a whiff down to my nose. Oh, I broke my toe again. Oh my. when I'm president, I hope I don't break my toes. That's gonna be bad, y'all. Hey, see, hey, spin my elbow. Oh my God. Oh yes. Oh, you smell so good. You know, oh, inhale it. Yes! Hang on a minute. I see. Wait. Images. Yes. I'm making an image right now. Thank you. Oh my gosh. People are dragonfly earrings. Oh my gosh. Ow. That's so gorgeous. It makes me want to fly. Oh my gosh. Back many years ago. Me and my mom, we were in the swimming pool now, and this dragonfly was so good the whole time. Oh my gosh. I didn't forget that. Oh yes! He was a friend. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, look at there below. Oh yeah. Oh, look at there below. Oh yes, we got more dragonfly. We got necklaces. We got bracelets. We got dragonfly. We got Scotty. Oh yeah. So yes. Oh, look at right in there. Let's get your box. Oh yeah. Let's get your box. Let's get your box. Oh yeah, it's down there. Oh, you click it, y'all. Woo! Yeah! Oh my gosh. Now I'm live. Mondays, Thursdays, I do push here top. So remember now. Yes. Now do subscribe to my YouTube Poodles Go Store. So you know Miss Looney no man. Thank you so much. Right down on the oh yes, take a minute. Down. Go ahead. Oh yes, share me to one of your meetings, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm assisting. Woo! Oh my God. I did that song on the stands where it goes, oh my God, constantly, oh my God, and I was like, oh my God, it's over. Oh my God, what? You know, the extreme version of OMG, you know, on the stands, oh my God, this is crazy, like, yeah, oh my gosh, yes, no. Oh my gosh, my skin was on it, and Tina and I, oh yes, on my face, and Vegas, yeah! It's Poodles Christmas skills give my God to go Vegas. Yeah. And on my Facebook watches you must know my Facebook Reels. Yeah. How can I forget about that? Oh my gosh. Because I was my sugar's like this. And I was right down there. Oh, yes. I was my Facebook to their to find it. Oh yes. And you can watch my videos over and over again. I don't mind. I do it myself, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm totally it in your business. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, your background noise. Your background noise. Hey. I said yes. Yeah! Oh my God, I'm gonna lick up my lipstick. You can also see Facebook stars. Yeah! If you would like to see money, you can do my Facebook. Thank you so much. Thank you. I rubbed my hair. And I'm like, coconut. Oh yes, I washed it last night. Oh yeah, I washed it. Yeah. Oh my gosh. And now, oh my gosh. I have buy me a big phone. Yeah. Yes. If you'd like to see me, my peeps. You can see me right now. Yes. If you know that, I go for the girls with boots. I get them. Oh yeah. Wall rubbing. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for donating. Thank you. You're amazing. You're all amazing. Oh, and I'm glad that you like all my videos. Yeah. Oh yes, and I'm gonna begin Thursday. I do want to see her just so make sure that you don't miss it because it's gonna go get my nudie after this. Oh my gosh. Yes. And hope you have been safe. With you, yeah, be safe. And that's super good Thursday. And it was just like, yes, like you. Yes. Bye, look, like you. Bye, like you. Oh, thank you. I can't even say it. I can't wait for the YouTubers to see it. Thank you. Yes, all of them say it. Yes. My hair is splitting to my thighs. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Instagram. Oh yeah, share. Hey, but you're Looney. Hey, oh yeah, oh yeah, Bitcoin. Oh yeah, yeah.